WVTM 13's Larissa Scott tells us why she did it all for love.
Born in 1927, Estrellita Izquierda escaped Florida with just her cat.
My cat jumped up and kept me warm.
It's not every day you hear about someone nearly a century old driving an RV hundreds of miles, and Estrellita just doesn't understand all the fuss.
That's so silly. I've been driving all my life.
She learned to drive from her late husband, who passed almost 3 years ago.
This is Raul. This is I can't say he's my better half because we were one.
The two of them did everything together.
It was a great life. It was too short. 64 years is not enough. I wanted more.
Their love is the reason why Estrellita left Florida ahead of the hurricane.
My husband has so many awards and diplomas and photos and things. I didn't want that to get ruined.
And Estrellita says because of him, she never felt alone driving 800 miles from Homestead, Florida to Hoover, Alabama.
I just felt like he was there. And the whole trip up, I had such a warm feeling.
Using the time to think about the life they shared.
He supported me so much and he gave me so much love. I felt I could do anything.
Even travel all the way to Alabama when her family disapproved.
Everybody's so warm. This very congenial people. They're lovely. I love it here. Yeah. And I might stay for a long time.
In a place she says her husband would have loved. In Hoover, Larissa Scott, WVTM 13.
I'm glad you met Pepe.